In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit word timing in Captions.AI. If your captions appear a little early, a little late, or they just don't sit comfortably with the speaker's voice, this quick workflow will help you dial them in so your viewers can follow along effortlessly. First, log into Captions.AI. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace where all your projects live. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection so the editor loads smoothly and your changes apply without lag. After logging in, open your project in the editor. This takes you into the main editing view, where you'll see your video preview and, most importantly, the timeline at the bottom. That timeline is where the magic happens. It shows your audio waveform and the caption segments that represent your words or phrases. On the timeline, look for the specific text or phrase you want to edit. You'll notice that each segment corresponds to a portion of speech. The waveform beneath it can be a helpful visual guide. Rises, peaks, and gaps typically line up with syllables, pauses, and breaths. As you scan the timeline, focus on the phrase that feels off. Maybe it pops on screen before the speaker starts talking, or it lingers after the line has ended. Identifying that mismatch is the key to a clean, polished read. Now drag it to match the speaker or the audio. Click and hold the caption segment at a moment, then move it left or right until its start and end align naturally with the speech. Aim for a comfortable rhythm. The text should appear just as the words begin and remain visible long enough to be read without rushing. Small, precise movements work best. If you nudge a segment too far, simply center it back over the waveform where the voice is strongest, and let the end of the segment taper off as the phrase finishes. Keep an eye on overlaps. You want the next caption to follow smoothly without crowding the previous one. As you drag, pay attention to clarity. If a phrase is short and punchy, the caption can be tighter to the audio. If it's longer, give it a bit more presence on screen so it's readable. Consistency is your friend. Try to apply the same timing logic across the project so everything feels cohesive. With these adjustments, your captions will sync cleanly to the speaker and the audio, making your video more professional and easier to follow from start to finish.